am Gifty Rodor, the chairperson for Greater Accra Regional Association of Poultry Farmers. That is the regional branch of Ghana National Association of Poultry Farmers. Yes, the Agri-House Foundation has actually done the poultry sector a great favor, and Madam Mabeta, she's been working hard over these years, to promote agric in general. With this, we will invite all our farmers, especially Greater Accra Regional, all the farmers that are in the region. I invite all of you to come to be part of the 1st July Poultry Day celebration, for us to actually take our business very seriously. And then we also invite the Ghanaian public to also attend the program and taste free chicken, different, way of cooking chicken and poultry products. So we invite you all.